Hi, my name is Jalagom. Today I'd like to introduce a project that I work on during my internship that focusing on using data to improve inventory management and sales focusing in manufacturing company. This project is meaningful to me because it shows how data science can support real business decision, not in love complex model but by turning data into insights that people can actually use. So the company I work with facing a common challenge. They have large amount of sales and inventory data, but the data was scattered across different systems and often messy. As a result, many optional decisions rely heavily on manual work and personal experience rather than the data driving insight. So this led to major issues. Exceed inventory that tidy up capital and store shortage during the peak sales period. So the key question we want to answer was that how can data help the business better anticipate demand and management inventory more efficiently? So what I did, rather than focusing on technical complexity, my main goal was to make the data usable. I organized and clean historical sales and inventory data that original exist in different formats. I then summarized key patterns using simple visualizations, such as the trend over time and different export. By doing this, I help the team move from raw data to clear insight. For example, identify which product was more sensitive to demand changes and which time period required close attention. I also help automate a part of the data processing workflow, which reduce repetitive manual work and allow the team to focus on more interpretation and decision making. The impact of this project was practical and meaningful. Data processing became more efficient, demand forecasting improved, and inventory backlog were reduced. More importantly, the business team became more confident in using data to support their decision. They did not need to understand how the analysis worked technically. What mattered was the results were clearly, timely, and useful. This experience helped me realize that the true value of data science lies not in technical specification, but in its ability to improve real-world decisions and build trust across teams. At the same time, this project helped me recognize my limitation. When the data shows strong nonlinear friction, I realized that my approach need to more advanced modeling and system level thinking, especially to handle the complexity of real-world demand patterns. I also learned that accurate analysis alone is not enough. If insight cannot be communicated clearly to non-technical stakeholders, their value is limited. So this made me more aware that importance of balancing analytical rigor, system, reliable and clear communication. So this is why I'm very excited about applying to the Master of Data Science program at Duke University. I believe the program emphasis on the full data to decision processing will help me strengthen my skill in machine learning, data system, and data storytelling. My goal is to grow into data scientists who not only analyzing data but also help organizations make better, more informing decisions. So thank you for your watching.